Determine the coordinates of the stationary points of the function z equals to x squared plus xy plus y squared plus 5x minus 5y plus 3 and determine their nature. First, we are going to differentiate with respect to x. That is 2x plus y plus 5, and with respect to y, that is y x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. That is x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. So we are going to find the solution by using elimination methods of these two equations. 2x plus y equals to negative 5 and x plus 2y equals to 5, because we have moved the constant to the right hand side. So that is 2x plus y equals to negative 5 using elimination method. 2x plus 4y equals to 10. Then we subtract, we get 0, we get negative 3y, because it is y minus 4y, and we get negative 5 minus 10, that is negative 15. Then our y is 5. So we are going to use y to find our x. So 2x plus y plus 5 equals to 0. 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So our x is negative 5. Our stationary points are negative 5 and 5. Our stationary points. We are going now to find the nature of our equation. So we are going to differentiate the second time again the first one equation which we differentiate. So when we differentiate 2x plus y plus 5, what we get with the respect to x, we get 2, which is greater than 0. Then we have our minimum point, that is our local minimum point. Question 2. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If real roots exist, find them. That is 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. We use b squared minus 4ac. And our a is 2, our b negative 3, our c it is positive 5. So we are going to use the equation to find out our root. So if that equation is, the answer is greater than 0, and we have less than 0, and we have the answer that is equal to 0, so we're going to have, then we have two different values or digits or different roots. Then if it is less than 0, then we have no roots exist, no real roots exist. If we have equals to 0, then we have the same roots exist. That is it. Different roots, no roots, and the same roots. So we're going to find our equation if it has two different roots or no roots or same roots. So negative 5 squared minus 4, 2 times 5, which is 9, minus 40. 9 minus 40, that is negative 31. So it is less than 0. So this means that we are going to write no real root exist, and from that you are done with your equation, because there is no other way we can do it.